Hi guys and welcome. Are you ready to unlock your earning potential? Then you need to get started with AI marketing. With AI marketing, you can harness the power of machine learning and data analysis to create highly targeted marketing campaigns that drive sales and increase profits. This video will explore how AI can help you identify your ideal customer, craft a personalized message, and optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. So stay tuned till the end of this video not to miss any important part.
Have you heard about Memorable Ad Maker? It's the fantastic tool that's going to revolutionize the way we create ads. It's an AI-based platform that uses a technology called Creative Intelligence Suite to help marketers create impactful advertisements that are optimized for marketing KPIs, not just photorealism. Think about it. You can now create an ad with just a simple description. Or if you're feeling stuck, the ad tip guide is there to provide some inspiration. And if you want to go extra mile, the booster feature lets you choose from a selection of sample ads to give you that extra push. But that's not all. The tool even gives you predictions on how well your ad is going to perform. It predicts memorability potential, attention in context, engagement potential, and distinctiveness. And you don't have to worry about the quality of the final product. All ads are produced in high definition with either 8K or 4K resolution options. Memorable Ad Maker is a tool that stands out from the crowd. It's not just a simple image generator, but an AI-powered platform that takes into consideration the marketing goals and KPIs of each ad. And let's be honest, in today's competitive market, it's all about creating ads that are not just visually appealing, but also memorable and impactful. You might be wondering, how do I use the tool? Well, it's super easy. You can input a description of the ad you want, upload an image, or use the ad cues guide. And the best part, you can create all sorts of ads, from high-quality photos of groceries to smartwatches, from smoothies to vases. The possibilities are endless. And the early adopters of this technology love it. Bauti Bariso, a marketing professional, says, "As someone who focuses on efficiency and ROI, I have to say this tool is a game changer. Even if you don't end up using the image, you can test ideas in seconds and see if it improves your performance." And Katrina K is just as thrilled. "I'm fascinated with AdMaker because it's not only a robust text-to-image generator, but also a mechanism to analyze those images for impact. It's a great AI-based tool for brainstorming and testing ideas before they go into production." In conclusion, Memorable Ad Maker is a tool that should be on every marketer's radar. It's AI-powered, user-friendly, and helps improve the final product's creative process, performance predictions, and quality. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for early access and see how it can help you create impactful ads and achieve your marketing goals. Have you ever found yourself drowning in a sea of process documents and wishing you had an AI-powered system to help you navigate through them? Well, look no further than Jackrabbit Ops. This unique tool is an AI documentation software that helps businesses efficiently create and manage their process documentation. With Jackrabbit Ops, you can quickly generate process documentation in just 24 hours. How? The AI uses artificial intelligence to quickly and accurately create processes that train itself through data from templates, imports, videos, and charts. And once it has been trained on your specific techniques, it can provide answers to questions by your business processes. But here's the best part. The AI-generated processes are quickly revised and updated, allowing you to make changes and perfect responses in no time. And the best part? You can try Jackrabbit Ops for free without providing any credit card details. Say goodbye to the tedious task of constantly keeping up with changes in business operations and digging through processes to find answers. With Jackrabbit Ops, you can chat with your business like you're talking to a human. It's like having your assistant, but better. And it's available 24/7 and never takes a day off. But that's not all. Jackrabbit Ops is cost efficient too. It helps you save on cost by automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks, which allows your employees to focus on more critical and value-adding tasks. Plus, it can also help to improve employee morale and job satisfaction. One of the best features of Jackrabbit Ops is its centralized platform where all your business's critical information is stored. This enables you to access data from anywhere and at any time, and it can help you to identify patterns and trends in your business, which will help you make data-driven decisions that lead to growth and success. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Jackrabbit Ops today and start seeing the benefits immediately. It's like having a general manager who is always available and gives you the correct answers at the right time. Make Jackrabbit Ops the best hire you ever made and see your business grow like never before. With Jackrabbit Ops, you can rest assured that your business operations are safe and you can focus on what matters, growing your business. Have you ever heard of Radar? This incredible social media management platform is designed to help small and medium-sized businesses with their online presence. It's like having a personal assistant for all your social media accounts. You won't believe how much easier your life will be with this tool. You see, as a digital marketer, it can take a lot of work to manage multiple social media accounts at once. You have to be a social media butterfly, flitting from one account to another, ensuring each gets the attention it needs. But with Radar, you can focus on other things while it takes care of all your accounts. Radar is packed with features that will make your life so much easier. It has everything from scheduling and posting posts to social media monitoring, analytics, password management, task management, URL shortening, landing pages, RSS feeds, and a shared library. And the best part? It supports all the major social media platforms. One of the standout features of Radar is its URL shortener. It's a game changer for your workflow and makes everything so much simpler. And the password manager is a lifesaver. You'll always remember a password again. The only downside is that it still needs to support Pinterest or GMB. But the developers are always listening to their community and adding new features, so who knows, they might add those platforms soon. With Radar, you can plan and schedule content and postings with your colleagues or customers for different social media channels. Once you prepare your content, Radar will automatically publish it to the selected social media channels and accounts on the specified dates or times. And you can track and analyze your social media activity with its analytics feature. It's like having a personal social media analyst. Radar has plans starting at $10 per month for the basic plan, which includes 3 social media accounts. The professional plan is $20 per month and includes 6 social media accounts. And the business plan starts at $60 per month and has 12 social media accounts. It's an investment, but trust me, it's worth every penny. Customers of Radar are in love with the tool. They say it's one of the most well-designed and easiest to use social media management tools. And the developers are constantly interacting with their community and making improvements, so you know the product will only improve. And here's the best part. For a limited time, you can get lifetime access to Radar for just $59. That's a savings of over 90% off the regular price. This is a deal you want to take advantage of, so don't wait. Get Radar today and make your life as a digital marketer a whole lot easier. Have you ever struggled to come up with a name for your business or project? Are you staring at a blank page or whiteboard with no inspiration? Well, fear not, my friend, because Naming Magic is here to help. Naming Magic is not your average business naming tool. It's a powerful AI-driven engine that utilizes GPT-3 natural language technology to help entrepreneurs generate creative and memorable names for their companies. The device was created by Swift Ventures in collaboration with OpenAI, one of the leading AI research organizations in the world. The idea behind Naming Magic is simple: to make the process of naming a company accessible and stress-free for entrepreneurs. All you need to do is input a brief product description and a few keywords, and the tool will suggest potential ideas for you. The AI engine analyzes the information you provide and generates a list of relevant, unique, and brandable names. But what makes Naming Magic stand out from other naming tools is the technology behind it. GPT-3 is one of the most advanced and natural language models available today, with the ability to generate human-like text and understand complex language patterns. Using GPT-3, Naming Magic can offer a level of creativity and accuracy unmatched by other naming tools. The team behind Naming Magic includes the founders of TubeMogul, a video advertising platform acquired by Adobe in 2016. They know firsthand how challenging it can be to develop an excellent name for a company, and that's why they created this tool. Their experience and expertise have helped them create a device that is effective and easy to use. Swift Ventures is a venture capital firm that invests in early-stage companies focusing on AI and data-first businesses. They have a deep understanding of the power of AI and are always on the lookout for new ideas and innovative startups. So if you have an excellent idea for a business and need some help with naming, be sure to reach out to Swift Ventures. They might just be the partner you're looking for. In short, Naming Magic is a game-changing tool that makes naming a company fast, easy, and fun. Its advanced AI technology and user-friendly interface make it the perfect tool for entrepreneurs who want to focus on building their businesses rather than on finding a name. So if you're looking for a way to take the stress out of naming your company, give Naming Magic a try. You won't be disappointed. Have you heard of Ayla AI? It's a pretty fantastic tool that can help with all sorts of content creation tasks. With Ayla AI, you can generate blog posts, ads, emails, reports, and even realistic images using the power of AI. It's like having a personal writing assistant to help you create all sorts of content in seconds. One of the best things about Ayla AI is that it can save you so much time and effort in your creative work. With just a few clicks, you can instantly generate any type of long-form content, which is great for SEO optimization and provides workflows that support the whole writing process. You don't have to worry about writer's block or spending hours researching and writing content from scratch. Ayla AI also offers 30 languages, so you can create content in multiple languages and reach a wider audience. And if you need some visuals to go along with your written content, Ayla AI has covered you with its realistic image generation feature. You can customize your content to your liking and make it look professional and polished in no time. The Ayla Chrome extension is also a great feature that allows you to utilize the power of AI everywhere. You can write and optimize content directly on emails, ads, and social media platforms. This makes it easy to write on the go and ensures that all your content is SEO optimized and ready to go. Finally, Ayla AI is trusted by thousands of professionals in various industries and is rated 5 out of 5 stars by its customers. It's an excellent tool for bloggers, content marketers, and anyone who wants to improve their content creation skills and efficiency. And the best part, Ayla AI offers a 1-week free trial with 5,000 words, so you can try it out and see how amazing it is. Now let's talk about the pricing and features of Ayla AI. There are 3 plans: Basic, Pro, and Enterprise. The basic plan costs $29.99 per month and includes 30,000 word credits, 30 languages, and 1 user seat. It offers an AI content editor, Grammarly integration, and general AI writing tools and features, but has limited advanced AI features. The Pro plan costs $139.99 per month and includes 250,000 word credits, 30 languages, and 5 user seats. It offers the same features as the basic plan, but also allows for customized AI tools and feature requests, and includes an account manager and priority customer support. This plan is great for larger teams or individuals needing more advanced features. The Enterprise plan is custom priced and includes 1 million plus words credits per month, 30 languages, and unlimited user seats. It consists of all advanced features, customized AI tools and feature requests, excellent technical support, a dedicated account manager, and onboarding and training sessions. It also offers an AI content editor and Grammarly integration. This plan is perfect for large enterprises or organizations that need the most advanced features and support. So there you have it, my friend. Ayla AI is a fantastic tool that can help you save time and improve your content creation skills. With its various plans and features, you can choose the one that fits your needs and budget. Give it a try and let me know what you think.